This set comes with 3 different size vacuum storage bags. You have 5 small, 5 medium, and 5 large. It comes with its own vacuum pump. You want to make note it has a C port option and a USB port option, which is actually kind of handy. Many times you go to the hotel, you can just plug it right into the lamp, but just know that. And so it would work off of a battery pack. It also comes with sliders that you just put onto the top of the bag, and you can zip them shut, and then you can do the vacuum. We are super excited that they sent these to us to try out, because we're in the middle of living in an RV while we're remodeling a house. And so it's summertime and I don't need my sweatshirts. And so we're going to go ahead and vacuum these up. This stack measures right at about 7 inches, and it takes up way too much room in the RV. So we're going to vacuum them and show you how easy it is. The bags have a fill line on it, so I'm just going to slide these sweaters and sweatshirts in here. Stand it up, and it is below the fill line. And then use the slider to zip it closed. The instructions on how to do this are super clear. They give you nice pictures, so it's super easy to do. So we're going to take off the cap, leave the red insert in there, and just push out the excess air. Take the pump, put it onto the valve, and pull out the corners of your bag as it's drawing out the air. You can slowly see it squishing down. I don't think there's any air left in it, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. And then you just reattach the cap. So once this was 7 inches tall, and now we are at 2.5 inches. So this product, it obviously is fantastic for traveling. Can you imagine how much nicer the packing is going to be? But using it for the RV is going to be fantastic. The bags are reusable, and so when I want to use these sweaters, I am just going to simply open up the bag, and here we have our sweaters still nice and clean. Another use, we have a new grandbaby that they outgrow the clothes so fast. The sweatshirts was a large bag. This one is medium. There's probably 20 different outgrown baby clothes in this bag. This is crazy. In addition to it saving space, it is going to keep these clothes clean and fresh. They've just been freshly laundered, and they'll be ready for when they needed to be used again. So if you're looking for some great bags for storage or for travel that will save room, keep your clothes nice and clean, I would definitely check out this. It is a great option to help you with your travel and storage needs.